Hello everyone, my name is Rosa Felicia Saskia Azere. Today I would like to discuss one of the most serious global issues that affects human life, the environment, and the future of our planet, which is climate change. In recent years, we have experienced more extreme weather, events such as heat wave, floods, and stronger storms. These changes are not random, but they are closely connected to a rising global temperature. The topic of my presentation is climate change, focusing on the increase in global temperature and its impacts. In this presentation, I will explain three main points. First, I will describe global temperature changes using a chart. Second, I will explain the major causes of climate change. Finally, I will discuss the effects of climate change and why it is important to take action. Let us begin by looking at the chart that shows the global average temperature anomaly from 1880 until 2023. From the chart, we can see that global temperature was relatively stable from 1880 until 1950 with small fluctuation. However, after the 1970, the temperature trend increased sharply. The highest increase occurred after year 2000. By 2023, the global temperature anomaly reached around 1.2 Celsius. Overall, the chart shows a clear long-term warning to more than 1 century. This trend means that the Earth is warming at a faster rate than before. Even though 1.2 degrees may sound small, but it is significant because global temperature affects the entire climate change. According to NASA 2023, the planet average surface temperature has risen mainly due to human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels. This temperature increase is important because it leads to change the weather patterns and the climate change in the worldwide. For example, higher temperature increase the change of drought, wildfires, and rising sea levels. Therefore, the chart is evidence that climate change is real and continues to worsen over time. The second point is about the main causes of climate change. The most important causes is increase of greenhouse gases in atmosphere. Greenhouse gases trap heat from the sun and making the earth more warmer. One major greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide, produced by burning fossil fuels and such as oil, natural gas for electricity, transportation, and industry. Deforestation also contributes to climate change because fewer trees absorb carbon dioxide, increasing carbon level in the atmosphere. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or IPCC 2021, human influence has been the dominant cause of global warming since the mid-20th century. This shows that the climate change is not only a natural process, but it is strongly influenced by human activity. The third point is the impact of climate change. One major effect is extreme weather. Many countries experience stronger storms, longer heat wave, and unpredictable rainfall patterns. Another serious impact is rising sea levels. When glaciers and polar ice melt, ocean levels rise and threaten coastal cities and small islands. Climate change also affects agriculture. Farmers face difficulties because the temperature and rainfall changes. This can increase the food prices. In addition, climate change affects human health. Heat wave can cause dehydration and heat stroke. Therefore, climate change is not only an environmental issue, but also a social and economic issue. To conclude, the climate change is critical global challenge. First, the charts show that global temperature has increased significantly after 1970. Second, the main causes are fossil fuel emission and deforestation and leading extreme weather, rising sea levels, and risk agriculture or health. In my opinion, climate change should be addressed through international cooperation, reducing carbon emission, and increasing the use of renewable energy such as solar or wind power. If action is not taken soon, the effect of climate change will become more severe and difficult to control. Thank you for your attention.